Another day, another story. The digital ghost phenomenon. Vanishing data, rising suspicions. The Silicon Valley conference room. In a high-tech conference room, the air is charged with tension. Leaders of the tech giants, Google, Apple, Facebook, and Amazon, gather around a holographic display showing a world map. The map is dotted with vanishing data points, a visual representation of a disturbing trend. The executives, silhouetted against the glow of the display, are visibly concerned. The discovery. The data, it's just disappearing, says the Google CEO, his voice reflecting a mix of disbelief and concern. The Apple representative, scrolling through charts on her tablet, adds, "It's not just us. This is industry-wide. Our algorithms can't seem to track user data like before. Personal data lockers, PDL. A Facebook executive leans in. Is there any lead on what's causing this? The Amazon head, eyes narrowed, responds, "It seems linked to the rise of personal data lockers. Users are taking control of their data, encrypting it beyond our reach." Jasmy's role. Jasmy Corporation, mutters the Apple representative. They've been pushing this technology, haven't they? Correct, nods the Google CEO. Their blockchain-based PDLs are changing the game. Privacy and security has become a priority, and the people are taking control of their personal data. The implications. This could redefine our business models, the Facebook executive says gravely. How did we not see this coming? The room falls into a tense silence as they consider the ramifications. The shift towards data sovereignty is now undeniable. Jasmy, the observer. Hidden in the shadows, a figure in a high-tech suit watches the scene unfold. Jasmy, the guardian of the Jasmy network, listens intently. Her mission is clear: empower people to regain control of their digital identities. Unseen, she prepares to act. The cliffhanger. As the meeting ends, the executives are left with more questions than answers. Unnoticed, Jasmy slips away, her presence a secret. Her resolve is firm. The fight for data sovereignty has begun, and she is at the forefront.